Hello friends, it's spring here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and as always we're bringing you the best van campers in the industry with Winnebago, Pleasureway, and Roadtrek. And today we're going to take a look at this 2023 Roadtrek Zion Slumber. And what makes this one of the best pop tops in the industry? Well, they've just recently updated it and put a brand new pop top on. And if you look at it, look at how high this pop top goes. I wish we had one of the competitors next to it, but it is the most spacious pop top. Could be in the industry, could be in the world, I'm not sure, to be honest, but it's definitely the most spacious one that we offer here at Advanced Camping. And with their pop top, it also comes with 200 watts of flex solar for 2023. Comes with Truma appliances, Truma Vario Heat and Truma AquaGo water heater. And it also has a rooftop air. It has lithium batteries, 600 amps, which is really just an incredible amount of lithium batteries. So it keeps you off the grid. And it has a power awning. So it has the best of all of the features that the other pop tops are missing. This one has it all encompassed in one unit. So I really love this Roadtrek Zion Slumber. It's a 2-year warranty for the upfit, which is very good, much better than most. And it also, of course, has the RAM warranty, which is 3-year, 36,000 miles. And I'm just going to show you around real quick. First of all, we have power steps at each of the main entry doors. So driver, passenger, main sliding door will all have a super nice deep tread, easy to get in and out of power step, and that retracts when you're driving. So if you're in slippery or slush or snow conditions, it's not going to get your tread all icy and snow covered because it's retracted while you're driving. So you've got painted to match awning, you got painted to match air conditioner, and all of this base trim cladding all painted to match. Really nice. This is in the granite metallic, one of the most popular colors. The other thing that Roadtrek does, their hookups are on the back. So water hookup off of the back and power cord hookup off of the back. You're also going to find your cable TV hookup off of the back. So fewer holes, fewer things cluttering up the side. You know, really nice idea to have those right off the back. Of course, it has a trailer hitch, it has backup camera, and it has a rear view mirror camera. All really helpful when you're navigating down the road. So on the side here, Roadtrek is one of the few companies that offers a macerator discharge pump for your gray and your black tanks. That is a game changer to some people. This will pump your waste uphill, downhill, left, right, any which way you're going to go. Hose is permanently hooked up under this little flap here, and they've discreetly disguised all of that, giving it this nice classy look. It's got limousine glass, so you've got this deep tint glass giving you that blackout look. A really classy, well-finished van camper. And that macerator pump, you also don't have to stow a sewer hose anywhere else. It stows right on the outside. So a lot of van campers, you know, you're stowing the stinky slinky somewhere. That's no fun. It's nice to have it permanently attached and have a housing just for it. So we're gonna come inside. This is in the new interior sage color, and I love this. It's a little funky, but not too funky, just like me. So we're gonna pop in. You're gonna see the front driver and passenger seats will swivel, just like this one is. You can swivel this other one most of the way around. You have got a spot for a table. This one has the optional lagoon table. This has got also, very important, a varying array of Ram chassis options. This one does have adaptive cruise control. I know that's a huge deal to a lot of people. This one does have that feature. So if you like that, you're welcome to buy this one. It's still available, and it in fact has it. So as I sit down here you're gonna see it's got a nice mix of this really light whitish grained cabinets with this sage face. I think it's great. I think it's, like I said, just a little funky, which is awesome. Also goes well with this white faced refrigerator. It's really bright and cheery in here. But hey, let me know what you think about this in the comments below. And please, if you enjoy videos like this, hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and you'll see van camper videos all the time from Advanced Camping on this channel. And I want to take you right up top here. So this is the loft area, and you can see this is one of the few pop tops they have with a skylight. So that will open up. It's got a screen. It also has a shade. It really gives you a ton of airflow. And we'll pop up here. You can see this is a nice, comfortable space. You can easily fit 2 people up here. These windows will zip open. You can get nice cross ventilation. Great place to chill, hang out, send the grandkids, you know, whatever you want to do. This entire coach is controlled by the Firefly screen. So you've got your battery controls, your tank monitor, your lighting, all your appliances, all located in one convenient, easy to use touch panel screen. We've also got granite countertops and recessed sink. Got a nice residential pull-out faucet. This one has the optional induction stove. Otherwise, you can get a 2-burner LP stove if you'd like. A plethora of cabinetry and storage space, and even a silverware drawer. What's great about this is that these actually are metal ball bearing drawer guides, marine grade plywood construction of the cabinetry, and it's got some slow close hardware there. So really well done. They've put some nice stainless steel accents in here, easy to clean and practical. And you've got the built-in microwave. This is, I know I talked about the color, but this is a huge refrigerator. One of the biggest refrigerators, and this is a compressor driven 12-volt refrigerator. One of the biggest refrigerators I've seen in the van camper world. Of course, the things that have carried over to this model from the Zion, everybody loves the built-in pantry, and everyone loves the giant storage drawer beneath the fridge. Can really fit a lot of stuff in there. The other thing I want to point out is this face is like a matte finish. It feels really nice. It's almost like a soft touch. I think that would be easy to clean and maintain over time as well. And it really looks nice. So you've got the wardrobe cabinet over here, and that's where your throw pillows are right at the moment. This one has, so there's 2 configurations you can get in the back. Power side facing sofa, which is what this has. So if you have an e-bike, you have something you want to bring in here of value, easy to store right down the middle of the aisle. The second option is having the sofa across the back. You can certainly get that as well. Some people prefer this. Both of them do have 3 seat belts in the back, so easy to seat 5 in this van. The people that buy this love the ability to kind of lounge out back here. Got the TV right across from you. Really some nice viewing windows, and you've got cross ventilation as well. Up above there are some nice storage lockers. This is your GE air conditioner that you get on the Slumber. And we'll pop over here. You'll see 2 huge storage lockers on this side. Up in here there's an MPPT solar controller. Of course, they use some of the best off-the-grid hardware in the industry, Roadtrek does. And your table conveniently stows in the back door in a pocket. So that is a brilliant idea right there. There's a ton of storage drawers down underneath the, let me see if I can pop one of these open. So you have got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those drawers of this size all underneath this bench over here. Really a great amount of space. They've put positive locking hardware Nice, heavy duty, good construction. Gonna last you a long time after tons and tons, years and years worth of adventures. There's also a nice screen for the back here with blackout shades, and there's a screen on the side door opening with a magnetic entryway and closure. Over here, I don't want to skip the bathroom. They have a nice size, a well-appointed bathroom. You know, in van campers, you don't want too big of a bathroom. You don't want too small of a bathroom. You just want it enough space to get the job done. And that's what this is. Really, they do a good job design-wise here. You can hook these doors from the inside, and now they're in a V shape, giving you extra elbow room. We've also got a foot flush toilet with slow close lid, a little sink to wash your hands, brush your teeth, some spots to put your shower caddy or whatever you need there, a mirror, of course, and a light inside here. And then it's got the curtain built right in. Thank you for watching Advanced Camping and RV's virtual tour of this 2023 Roadtrek Zion Slumber. Let me know if you like this one. If I can be of any help to you, please visit advancedcamping.com or give us a call today.